People are making hundreds of dollars only by making faceless YouTube videos. You can also do it, you just have to select a trendy and high RPM niche. Artificial intelligence is one of the trending topics, and the potential is huge. So it will be great to start with this niche. Now you might say, I am not a techie guy, how can I make videos on AI? Then watch this video till the end. Let's start the video. Okay, if you are not an AI expert, you can still make videos on AI because AI will help you. Look at this video.
Max just dropped a 1 million token language model that anyone can use.
It's an AI-related video, and this channel publishes videos on various AI events. To create this kind of video, you don't need any expertise. In this video, I'm going to share the step-by-step method of making this kind of video. First of all, we have to find a trending topic on AI. To do that, I will use ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, simply type, "What are the trending AI-related news topics this week?" You will get the results. You can be more specific about the topic, like a product or research. Once ChatGPT completes the research, you will find all the trendy topics. Now I will write the script. Actually, ChatGPT will write it for me. I am just typing, "Can you please write a news video script with this data?" And here you can see that ChatGPT is writing the script for us. And here it is. The script is ready. Okay, our topic and script are ready. Now how can we create the video using this script? There are several methods to do that. However, I will use Filmora AI video editor. Filmora is one of the most popular and user-friendly video editors, and now it has become even more powerful with several new AI features. If you are new to Filmora, you will find the link in the description. Okay, this is the Filmora AI Windows app. You can also use it on an Apple or Android device. Here you will find a vast number of AI tools to create videos, like audio to video, smart short clips, AI video enhancer, idea to video, image to video, and much more. I recommend that you check them out. However, I already have the script text, so I will use this AI text-to-video tool. Once this pop-up appears, enter the script here in this box. After entering the script, we have to set the voiceover. First, set the language of the video. Next, select the voice actor from here. You will find a bunch of options. Listen to some of them, and then choose the perfect one. If you want to use your own voice, you can clone it too. You just have to set the voice name, insert the mic, and then read this script in a quiet place. Filmora AI will handle the rest and clone your voice. Alright, once the voice actor is selected, set the video ratio. Since I am making a long video, I am selecting 16:9. Once everything is set, hit the text-to-video button from here. Now, Filmora AI will analyze the script, generate the voiceover, and then generate the video for us. It will take some time, so I am fast-forwarding this part. And here it is. The video is ready.
In a major development for the generative AI industry, Midjourney, the company widely recognized for revolutionizing AI-generated art.
Honestly speaking, the video is not up to the mark. The reason is that we are making a video on the very latest information, and Filmora AI has used stock footage and images to create the video. If you make a storytelling video, then it might be great. Okay, now how can we fix this? First, we have to collect some footage related to the topic. Basically, we will record the related web pages and showcases using a screen recorder. Filmora already has a built-in screen recorder, so we don't need to install an external one. First, open your browser and then open the related link. In my case, our first topic is about Midjourney V1, so I am searching for Midjourney V1 on Google. Once you find the result, open the related link. Okay, now come back to Filmora. Turn on the screen recorder from here. Select the PC screen option from here. This is the Wondershare screen recorder interface. You have to configure it as per your needs. Set the area, sound input, and camera settings if needed. Once you are done, hit the record button. After that, explore the web page as per the script. Give it proper time to do that. Once done, hit the F9 button on your keyboard to stop the recording. And you can see that the video clip has been added to the media bin. Insert the video into the timeline and then adjust the size, position, and duration according to the voiceover. You can use the speed tool to match the duration. In the same way, record all the topics and replace them with the existing footage. You will get all the information. That's why I was telling you to make news-related videos. Now, what if you don't find related footage or images on the internet? Don't worry, we can generate them using AI. Here, in the Stock Media tab, you will find a vast library of videos and images. If you go to the AI Media tab, you will find two options: Image to Video and AI. You can create images using AI Image, and then turn them into a video using the Image to Video tool. To learn more about the AI Image and Image to Video tool, you can watch this video from the I button, where I explained these features briefly. Once all the footage is set, add transitions between the scenes where needed. You will find a vast library of amazing and professional level transitions in the transition library. There is no rule about adding transitions, just find and use the perfect one. Similarly, you can add effects from the effects library. After that, you will find a bunch of options in the sticker library. You can use them perfectly. Once done, go to the Titles tab. Here you will find a vast number of titles and texts. You can use them where needed. I always suggest giving proper time to customize the video. Okay, once the visual editing is done, move to the audio or sound section. Go to the Audio tab from here and then select AI Audio. Here you will find two options: AI Music, to generate BGM, and AI Sound Effects, to generate sound effects. After opening the AI Sound Effect tab, we have to enter the sound effect description here in this box. You can create any kind of sound effects. Once the sound effects are ready, add them to the video and set the positions and duration. Don't forget to adjust the volume. In the same way, you can generate the BGM or music track. However, I will use the Smart BGM Generator tool to generate the BGM. So, click on the Smart BGM Generator icon from here, and then click on Start. Once the music is generated, adjust the volume. Okay, our editing is done. Now click on the Export button. We can now export the video to your device. But the most interesting fact, you can directly publish the video on YouTube using Filmora. Here, in the Social Media tab, you can connect Filmora with YouTube, TikTok, and Vimeo, and publish videos directly on these platforms. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Major development for the generative AI industry. Midjourney, the company widely recognized for revolutionizing AI-generated art, has officially announced the launch of its very first AI video generation model, known as V1. This marks a bold step forward for the platform as it moves beyond static images and enters the competitive world of AI-powered video creation. For those unfamiliar, Midjourney quickly became one of the most influential names in AI art, known for producing richly detailed, stylized images from simple text prompts. Its distinctive visual aesthetic and ease of use earned it a massive following among digital artists.
This is a perfect AI news video. So, in this method, you can create this kind of highly informative AI news video using Filmora AI Video Editor. And it's super simple. Imagine creating 10 of these videos this month. With Filmora's AI tools, you could have a Faceless YouTube channel up and running by next week. So, don't forget to try this method. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Filmora AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!